Hello viewers, welcome to Digital Wave Academy tutorial. I am Stanley, your instructor. In this tutorial, I shall be showing you how to generate a list of prime factors of any given number. My approach is to use three different functions. And the first function is going to check whether any number is prime. This particular function is similar to a function I had used in my previous tutorial. So I will recommend that you go and watch that particular tutorial on prime numbers so you get a better explanation of this function on how it works. Having said that, the second function is a function that will generate factors of any given number. Factors of a number are those numbers that can divide the given number without any remainder, including 1 and itself. So let's say, for instance, we have 4. Factors of 4 would be 1, 2, and 4, and so on. The next function is a function that will return a list of prime factors of any given number. To work this out, we must have gotten the factors of any given number. From these factors, we are going to extract those numbers that are prime. And this is made possible by invoking the isPrime function on each of the factors of that particular number. To invoke the entire functions, I first of all generate my factors of 138. You can use any of those test data values. 138 would give me, let's print, I'm going to get this list: 1, 2, 3, 6, 23, 46, 69, and 138. And going further, to print the prime numbers from this particular one, from this particular factors of 138, I'm going to simply print primes, which invokes the prime factors function on the factors generated. Printing this will give me 2, 3, and 23. So 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 6 is not prime, 23 is prime, and the rest are not prime. So at this point, I hope I have been able to show you how to write a program in Python to generate prime factors of any given number. This program uses only 3 functions to solve the problem. Thank you for watching, and in case you have not subscribed, please kindly do so. Click the notification bell so that you'll get more notifications whenever videos like this are uploaded. And do well to share with friends and other learners all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.